Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford Escape radio. First, gather your essential tools, including a plastic trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Before starting, always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery to prevent electrical issues. This crucial safety step ensures no power flows to the components you'll be working with. Also, place a soft cloth over your console to protect surfaces from any accidental marks during the process. Next, we'll focus on removing the dashboard trim panels. Using your plastic trim removal tool, gently pry around the edges of the trim surrounding the radio. Work slowly and methodically to avoid breaking any clips or scratching the dash. Once the trim is loose, carefully detach it. You might find one or two hidden screws that secure the radio bezel, so be sure to remove those as well. With the trim panels removed, you'll now see the radio unit secured by screws, typically one in each corner. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Once they are out, gently pull the radio unit straight out from the dashboard opening. Reach behind the unit to disconnect all the electrical harnesses and the antenna cable. These usually have small tabs you press to release them. Before installing your new radio, take a moment to inspect all the wiring and connectors for any signs of damage. When you're ready, simply reverse the removal steps to reinstall everything. Connect the new radio's harnesses, slide it into place, and secure it with the screws. Reattach the trim panels, ensuring all clips snap back into position. Finally, reconnect your vehicle's battery and test the new radio to confirm it works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.